Satisfaction. You should follow up with the customer to ensure that the issue has been fully resolved and that they are satisfied with the solution. You should also take steps to prevent similar issues from occur. In the future. In the future. Learn from the feedback. Negative feedback can be a valuable source of information for improving your products or services. You should use negative feedback as an opportunity to learn and grow. You should analyze the feedback to identify patterns or trends and use this information to make improvements to your products or services. You should also use the feedback to provide additional training or guidance to your employees. Or guidance to your employees. In conclusion, handling negative feedback from customers is an essential part of running a business. By listening and empathizing, taking responsibility, responding promptly, resolving the issue, owning up, and learning from the feedback, businesses can turn negative feedback into an opportunity to improve their products or services and build customer loyalty. By following these tips, business owning up and learning from the feedback, businesses can turn negative feedback into an opportunity to improve their products or services and build customer loyalty. By following these tips, business can demonstrate their commitment to customer satisfaction and build a positive reputation that can drive growth and success. How to handle negative feedback from customers. In any business, receiving negative feedback from customers is inevitable. While uncomfortable, customer complaints can actually help you identify problems and improve your products or services. However, how you respond to negative feedback determines whether customers remain loyal or become former customers. An effective strategy for handling customer criticism includes the following steps. Listen actively. When a customer contacts you with a complaint, the first step is active listening. This means pay full attention without interrupting. Provide verbal and nonverbal cues that show you're listening, like making eye contact, nodding, etc. Ask open-ended questions to fully understand the issue from the customer's perspective. Repeat and paraphrase what the customer has said to confirm your understanding. Active listening shows customers you value their opinion and takes the emotion out of the interaction. It lays the groundwork for a productive resolution. Acknowledge and apologize. After listening, demonstrate empathy by acknowledging the customer's feelings and frustrations. Then sincerely apologize for their negative experience. Some examples of acknowledgement and apology statements. I understand this has been frustrating for you.